Aloha everyone and welcome back to the Alpha One982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're gonna create this awesome Paracord bracelet, but before we start I hope that you are safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. We're gonna need the yellow and sky blue Paracord 550. The inspiration for this project came from Spartan Paracord X, so go ahead and check them on. That being said, we can start with today's project. I'm just gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see, and take the left chord, make it from the top into the middle and to the side like this, and then the right strand chord gonna go under this left chord in the middle like so, and from the back side to the loop on the left side, as you can see here. Now we're gonna take the sky blue and we're gonna insert also into the middle, and then through the back, and from the back side through the loop on the right. And now from here we're gonna insert it from the top into the gap between the first and the second chord from the right side, and then from the center, so from the back through the center here and under those two chords like so. And we're gonna do the same thing on the left side, so into the middle, through the back and through the loop on the left. Now here from this point we're gonna insert it into the gap between the first and the second chord from the left, around, and now from the center, from the back through the center and under those two loops on the left side like so. Now we're gonna pull it to make it tight and continue. Now we're going to repeat. So from the top side into the center, in the middle, to the side, and this one under, and from the top into the middle, and from the back side to the loop on the left side. Now this right strand blue into the gap between the second and the third chord, from the back side through the loop on the right. Now here in the middle, in the gap between first and the second chord from the right side, to the back, and from the back through the center and under those two loops like so. And on the left side again, so in the middle, from the back through the loop on the left, and now into the gap between first and the second chord, through the middle and under. taking the cord from the back side and inserting into the middle. And now with this right strand cord, I'm gonna make on top of the left strand cord around from the back through the middle, and now through the loop on the left side. This way, as you can see, the cords are heading downwards, so when we cut off the excess of a cord, the melted part won't be seen. Now we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord and finish the bracelet. And as you can see, this bracelet is also great looking from the back side. Nice pattern. Now let's turn back on the bracelet we're done. So as you can see, we are finished. I hope that you like this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya. Bye.